Jackson County, southeastern Dubuque, Johnson County, Jones County, northwestern Clinton, 30 a.m. At 9:35 a.m. were located along the line of Whittier to near Martell to east at 55 miles an hour. Hazards include 60-mile any-size hail. The following impacts are expected. Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Look, Cedar Rapids, Maquoketa, Anixville, Stanwood, Mount Vernon, Monticello, Robbins, Lisbon, Solon, Easton, Olin, Sabula. This includes Interstate 380 near mile marker 23. Take cover now. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 p.m. for northwestern Illinois and northeastern and east central Iowa.